Today I'm going to show you how to install opencv in Mac OS. To tell you about the system, it has OS X El Capitan operating system, and the processor is 3.1 gigahertz, and this is the latest Apple series that we have. So first you need to install Xcode because opencv runs in Xcode. So to install Xcode, you can click App Store, type Xcode, enter. Here you can see that there is I've already installed App Store, and it's installing. The second part of the process is to download and install cmake. Cmake is an open source and you can download it from the cmake.org, and opencv to this helps opencv to build, test, and to run your software effectively. It is a cross platform, so to download the latest cmake, you can click on this button, and yeah, this is this thing this is this we want. Yep, we can click on new tab. Okay, so this is Xcode, and you can just click on the new project, just run it once. Desktop, new folder. Yeah, cool. So now you can see your Xcode is running. In the main code you can see that there is a code. So okay, now we have download is almost complete for the cmake, and we need altogether we need opencv. To run opencv we need cmake and Xcode. So we have Xcode and cmake right now. So now I will install the latest version of opencv. So I will type this keyword, and okay, I'll click I want the latest version 3.1. Okay, now we have everything. I will click open, review the license, agree, bring cmake to application, keyboard. Yeah, now we'll go to cmake, and it's all and running. Okay, now we'll wait for the opencv to download. I I installed, this is the version that I'm teaching you is for the C++ version, because I faced this problem that when I was using Java, so it wasn't working pretty well. So I tried to install the opencv C++, and it was very difficult for me to adjust the C++ environment and the opencv platform in the Mac laptop because I was using Windows before. So I thought this might help you to achieve your goal. So now we have this opencv. We'll just, yeah, sorry. So okay, there you go. I'll cut it. Find so okay. Now inside the opencv platform, you need to make a new folder, name build. Okay, for build. Now we need to run cmake. Okay, yep, and we'll click configure. This is Unix makes file is the very native, like is usually we try to make things on Unix makes file. So you can done, and it will start configuring now. If you want to change any format, you can change it from here. Suppose you want this and you don't want this, so you can change it. If you don't want to change anything, you can just click generate, and it will, yeah, and over here you can see that generating is done. And all right, your opencv is not configured with the cross-platform cmake. Now what we have to do, we have to open terminal, yeah, and just type this keyword terminal. And to open the terminal, we need to enter the path destination of this build. So we'll take the info, we'll use this address, and here we go. We will enter this. Now we will enter the build. Let me just find out. Okay, I'm not in the, so I'll type document. Now inside the document, I need this folder, so I'll type this. Okay, everything is good. Now we'll type the build. Now we are inside the build. Now If you will type ls, you will see bunch of file because we made this, we configured the cmake platform in this to run it inside the system. And now you have to type make, and it will start building your platform. So the complete process depends on the speed of your laptop. All right, everything is done. Now to complete the task, we need to type this keyword sudo make install, and we need to type the password of your laptop because we are making changes in the operating system. And that's all. Now everything is complete. In the next video you will see that I will teach you how to configure your opencv in Xcode. And see you later guys. Bye bye. Thanks.